Okay, so now you should be on the back page. All you're doing here is filling in the missing numbers in this number line. And the reason why we're doing that is because you're going to see graphs that don't necessarily go up by 1. Where here, the time, it is going up by 1, but when we're talking about how much we're getting paid, it's actually going up by 5s, okay? Where each little cube represents $5. So it's important to remember how to find and fill in those missing lines. So we're going to go ahead and do that here. So what you do is you start from where it says 0 and the next number. So I'm from 0 to 20. I'm going to count how many spaces there are. There's 1, 2. So that means I have to divide 20 by 2 to get me what this number is, which will be 10. So in this case, each of them are going by 10. The rest of them are very similar. Here we have, again, 1, 2. So I'm going to divide 6 by 2. Same thing here. 1, 2. So I'm going to divide 18 by 2. Same thing here. On this one, you have 1, 2, 3 spaces. So you're going to divide 15 by 3. Okay, and that's how much each space represents. We're going to go ahead and do this first example. It says Spencer gets paid $5 an hour to babysit his sister. Create a graph that shows the relationship between Y, the total Spencer gets paid, and X, the number of hours he babysits. So this is saying $5 an hour. That means 1 hour will be $5. Okay? So when I see 5, I'm going to plot a point 1 to 5. For 2, I would plot a point at 10 because 2 times 5 will give me 10. 3 times 5 will get me 15. 4 times 5 will get me 20. 5 times 5 will get me 25. 6 times 5 will get me 30. And I'm going to have 35, 40, and 9. Something I want you to notice is that if you were just to pick a random point, so I have 1 hour equals 5, that means 5 is my constant, okay? That means each one of these points, if I divide Y by X, each one of these points should give me 5. For example, I'm going to divide, let's pick this one. This is 6, 30, okay? Remember that in your ordered pairs, X comes first, then Y. So if I was to divide my Y, 30, by 6, 30 divided by 6 is going to give me 5. So each one of these points, if you divide Y by X, you will get 5 if you did it correctly. I want you to go ahead and fill in example 7 and example 8, as well as the rest of this scale.